Let's consider the question that we have on the board. They asked to find the derivative of the function fx equals to 3x squared all over 2 minus the square root of x plus 1 over the square root of x. Okay, to find the derivative of this function, don't forget, I told you if you have a function f of x equals to ax raised to the power of n, the derivative of f of x is equals to n multiplied by ax raised to the power of n minus 1. Are you getting it? Or you can put it like this: a multiplied by nx raised to the power of n minus 1. It's still the same thing, okay? So this rule is called polynomial rule. Now we are going to use the same rule to differentiate this function, okay? The derivative of f of x is equals to, now differentiate x squared. The derivative of x squared is 2x, right? So I'm going to have 3 times 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. Are you getting it? All over 2. Now, don't forget that the square root of x is what? X raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? So for this, I'm going to have minus x raised to the power of 1 over 2. If you want to differentiate this, what are you going to have? 1 over 2 x raised to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1. Is that not it? Because I told you, according to polynomial rule, you're going to use the exponent to which x is raised to. You're going to use it to multiply the coefficient of x. Then the exponent is going to reduce by 1. Are you get what I'm trying to say? You're going to subtract 1 from the power. So here, I'm going to have 1 over 2 x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2. Do you get it? Because 1 over 2 minus 1 will give us negative 1 over 2. So for this, I'm going to have minus 1 over 2 x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2. Now, plus, please pay attention. 1 over root of x, how do you solve this? 1 all over root of x will be equals to 1 over x raised to the power of what? 1 over 2, right? Now, according to law of indices, if you have 1 over a, it can be written as what? A raised to the power of negative 1, right? And 1 over a squared is a raised to the power of negative 2. So 1 over x to the power of half will give us x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2. Do you understand? So for this, I'm going to have, if you want to differentiate this now, you're going to have minus 1 over 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of minus 1 over 2 minus 1. Do you understand? If you don't understand, listen to the explanation again. The power to which x is raised to is negative 1 over 2. Do you understand? So now multiply this negative 1 over 2 by the coefficient of x. Negative 1 over 2 times x, the power, which is negative 1 over 2, you're going to subtract 1 from the power according to this polynomial rule. Do you understand? So okay, let me even write it, polynomial rule. Okay, so you're going to subtract 1 from the power. Now, negative 1 over 2, please pay attention. Negative 1 over 2 minus 1. LCM 2, right? Minus 1 minus 2, which is what? Negative 3 over 2. Okay? So for this, I'm going to have plus minus 1 over 2, okay, minus 1 over 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 minus 1. Are you getting it? So for this, the derivative of f of x will be equals to 3 times 2x. 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm going to have 6x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So I'm going to have 6x over 2 minus, okay, now, minus 1 over 2 x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2. Now, this negative sign is going to affect this positive sign. So I'm going to have minus 1 over 2 x raised to the power of, now, negative 1 over 2 minus 1. That is what? Negative 3 over 2. So I'm going to have minus 3 over 2 here. Are you getting it? Okay, we are not done. We can still simplify further. The derivative of f of x is equals to, now, 6x divided by 2. If you divide this one, 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. So I'm going to have 3 times x, that is 3x. 3x minus, okay. Now, don't forget that, I just want to explain this now. X raised to the power of negative 1 over 2. X to the power of negative 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over root of x. Do you understand? Are you getting it? So here, I'm going to have minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over root of x, because x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 is 1 over root of x, according to law of indices. Okay, minus, now for this, I'm going to have 1 over 2 multiplied by Now, x raised to the power of 3 over negative 3 over 2 will be equals to 1 over x raised to the power of 3 over 2. And don't forget that this can be written as 1 over the square root of x raised to the power of 3. Do you understand? So for this, I'm going to have multiply by 1 over square root of x raised to the power of 3. Okay? So the derivative of the derivative of f of x is equals to 3x minus 1 over 2 root x minus 1 over 2 root x to the power of 3. Okay, so that is the derivative of x. You can see that it is simple. So all you have to do is that just pay attention to the details of the question. And when you look at the structure of the question, the structure of the questions will tell you the rules that you're going to use. Because from this question now, it is evident that the polynomial rule will work. Are you getting it? So let us look at more questions on differential calculus. Okay. To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.